Now the dough is the same, the difference is somewhere else. It's in the way we stretch our base. We will need a few expedients and I will show them to you. Before we move to my workshop, consider that this video is part of my video course, but I wanted to share it with you for free, so please show me some love, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment if you need to ask anything, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you will like the video. Here we are. Let's see how we stretch a base for calzone rather than for pizza. The main difference is we will not need any crust around here. The reason being we will fold the edges so they have to be as thin as possible, otherwise they may result undercooked. At this point we need to touch the center less. We will leave it alone and work more on the edges. We push only a little bit the center because we don't want it to be too thick, otherwise it won't cook. We continue to work on the edges, the thinner the better. Yeah, this is still a bit small. Let me try and make it bigger. Still careful with the center, of course. Oh, it seems big enough for me. Oh, let me center it. Yeah, it's basically the size of our regular pizza base. I mean, more or less. One last adjustment to my edges. Here. And we can now grab our cardboard and parchment paper. Oh. See? The size is pretty much the usual. Okay, it's finally time to add the toppings. There is no right or wrong, use whatever you like really. As a curiosity, the traditional calzone they do in Naples, Napoli, is filled with salami, ricotta, mozzarella, cracked black pepper. What else? No, nothing. Many put some tomato sauce on top. I think the beauty of calzone is that all of the flavors stay inside and they become stronger, more intense. So never mind the toppings, I'll use what I have in the fridge. This is some cheap mozzarella I wanted to try, and I also have some ham. Yeah, actually they are ham trimmings. If you ask your butcher, you will get them with a discount because they are not the nice slice. Please note I have divided ideally the base in half. All of my toppings are on one side, and now I will grab this side and fold the base like this. The edges should overlap nicely. I now push with my fingers, mark the edge. Oh wait, let me center it. In a while I'll show you the pattern if you want. I will use to not only decorate the edge but also to seal it even better. Now I need some flour on my fingers so they don't stick, and here's the pattern I like to do. At some point probably I will need to add more flour on my fingers. Oh, rotate. Done. Now it's time to cook my beautiful calzone, but the temperature is slightly lower than I would use for pizza. The temperature is 250 degrees. Now I will stick the calzone in the oven. It will take 10-11 minutes as a rule of thumb. Here we go, my beautiful calzone is ready. Ooh, here it is, still piping hot.